So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit stock region of some stocks here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, what I'll do for this demonstration is I'll just go to the Explore tab right here in the bottom middle. Where it says Explore Markets right here, if you were to go ahead and press on stocks right here, what it'll be showing by default are stocks listed on the US stock exchange or American stocks. So that's why you have Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, etc. But if you want to look for stocks on the Canadian stock exchange, where it says stocks right here, press on the drop arrow, slide up, and then press on Canada. Then, as you can tell right here, in regards to stocks right here. Press on close. There's a bunch of different Canadian stocks. So you have the highest volume ones. You have a bunch of different Canadian banks like TD, RBC, Bank of Nova Scotia, CIBC, etc. You have different stock gainers, stock losers, etc. From the Canadian market right here. If you want to maybe change the market from Canadian, let's just say we want to go to the United Kingdom for this example, right? Press on UK right here. Then when you're looking at UK different stocks right here, you have the highest volume right here, community trends, there's stock gainers, unusual volume, etc. But you are now exploring stocks on the UK stock exchange. If you want to go ahead and change it back to America, just do that. And now all of a sudden you're back on the US stock exchange. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to edit the stock region here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.